Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen and this is Pixie Sparkles. That's Pixie. Hello and welcome to my craft room. We're going to do my stash video for 2026. I start with the smallest canvas and I'm going to work my way to the largest canvas, unless it's a whip. I'm not going to go through the whips or what's kitted up. I'm just going to share what I have not touched that's waiting for me to lay drills on it. Here we go. We're going to start with the smallest and then work our way to the largest. This is Modern Stone Age Family by the Flintstones. It is 13 by 15 or 32.9 centimeters by 37.8 centimeters. It is 24 colors. No fairy dust. This is an older, I think this was released, I don't know the release date, but anyway, it has the thin perforated cover on it, and it has two ABs. The Jetsons by the Jetsons, or Hanna-Barbera, which is also who did the Flintstones. This is 17.5 inches by 13 inches or 44.6 centimeters by 32.9 centimeters. It has 52 colors with 2 ABs and 3 fairy dusts. A Berry Beautiful Day by Wild Brain or Strawberry Shortcake. It is 14.5 by 20 inches or 36.9 centimeters by 50.8 centimeters. It has 40 colors, 4 fairy dusts. And I think she's adorable. She's cute with little custard in the window. This is Cute Little Valentine by Painted Maeve. It is 40 centimeters by 50 centimeters. And I just noticed that there is no color code on the canvas. So this was gifted to me by my nephew. It's from the same company as the portrait of my mother that I'm doing that my niece got me. So my niece and my nephew are brother and sister, and we were all diamond painting it during Thanksgiving, and they wanted to get this for me for Christmas. So my niece got me the one of my mother, and then my nephew, he got me these. And they are from Heartful Diamonds, and I've already separated the drills from these canvases. I've already unboxed them. This is an image, one of my favorite images of Pixie and I together, and I actually have it, I'll show you, on a frame. How cute! I don't know the size, and I don't have my measuring tape near me. It has a thin cover, the image of her and I, but it does have, I don't even know how many colors, but this is the color list. Also, he got me this one. This was taken of, sorry for the crackle, this was taken of Pixie. I got her for Christmas one year, an Olaf, and this is a chew, but it looks like a candy cane. He asked me what my favorite picture was of her, and I told him this one because she and I are riding in the car. Tony's driving, and it's just so cute. Her little eyes. So let me take you over to the picture frame I have on my fireplace mantle. Best friends forever. And then that's the picture of the diamond painting. And behind it, I have other pictures of Pixie. And I just change them around. My precious baby girl. This was I had this printed off on photo paper, but that's how she looked when she'd sit on my lap. And I did this on my apple. You see her name. I might have shown it before. There she is again, my baby girl. Look at her smiling. She would grin like that when Tony would come home. from work. You can hear the puppies crying. That was her on the swing out by the pool. And she used to like to play. Look at my baby. And there she is. We were actually at the vet. And this was what, she just looks like she's smiling. She's just like, Mom, pick me up and hold me. And there she is. She was always on my lap. Those big eyes. And I've posted video of her. This was when, I think this was in February. She passed away in March. Oh, and look at that precious face. I love her so much. And then I still have this toy of hers and her pink blanket. I'll show you. And there she is by the pool. And look, my grandson took that picture. He did the odd, I don't know, you can take an iPhone and do a different dimension and like make their head look big and their body look smaller. And he did that and I thought it was funny. It was cute. And there she and I are. I remember we were coming back from running an errand and I was like, hey, I'd done like a short clip for a video. I never put it in though. And I was like, hey, it's Colleen and Pixie and we're headed back home. And when we get there, we're gonna, I don't know, unbox something. And then there she is, spoiled. Yeah, you'll see that in this book, this little shelf that I got to put her stuff on. But there's that. And so that was very sweet, of my nephew and my niece to just, my nephew, Pixie was still living when he did that. But he saw how close she and I are to one another, still are, if I'm honest. And then this is, Tony's gonna hang it for me, but this, and I hope you can see it okay, but this is her little toy that I was showing you. And then there's her little sweater, and that heart was in her cuddle clone. And I had this made by something pop, but it looks like she's wearing her little sweater. And this was after she passed away. I got that. And that's her paw print. And then I had this made. I had a couple of them made. And but her ashes are in her cuddle clone. And then I got this because when we were taking her to the emergency vet when she passed away, she rested her little head on my chin, and I knew she was just, we said our goodbyes. And this is a phone cover. Anyway, so I'm gonna go grab the next group of paintings. Okay, so I am in the craft room, and this is the next one, Isabel. It is Diamond Art Club. It has 80 colors. It's 17 by 24 inches or 42.7 centimeters by 60.8 centimeters. And it's just cute with the little bunnies on her head and her ponytails. And I like the colors in it. I like the palette. It has all those fairy dust in it. And 2 ABs and six fairy dust. Very cute. So this is what I was saying in a previous video, that it's kind of hard to just flip these because of the way that this is. But you can get the gist of it. Okay, sorry for the noise. I'm just gonna flip that up and let's see. Part of the canvas is cut off, but you get the point, and it's sideways. This is Birthday Party by the Peanuts. It has 24 colors, 4 ABs, and 2 fairy dust. It is 29 inches by 17 inches or 73.7 centimeters by 43 centimeters. This is Bluefield Memories. The artist is Anne Julie Aubrey, and this is from Diamond Art Club. It is 20 inches by 26 inches. It is 50.8 centimeters by 66 centimeters. It has 41 colors with 3 ABs and no fairy dust. Stacked Pumpkins and Sunflowers by Angela Anderson, and it is 20 inches by 27 inches or 50.7 centimeters by 69 centimeters. It has 57 colors, 2 fairy dusts, and 2 ABs. I was lucky enough to grab it. I know Diamond Art Club has sold this on Amazon as a smaller kit, which I think is a great idea. And I probably would have been just fine with that, but at the time it wasn't on Amazon. This one is Wispy Irises by Peggy Collins, Diamond Art Club. Everything's Diamond Art Club. If it's not Diamond Art Club, I'll tell you. If I don't tell you, that means it's Diamond Art Club. This one is 20 by 30 inches or 50 by 76 centimeters, basically. It has 74 colors with 1 AB and 3 fairy dusts. And it has that watercolor effect. This is Moonlight by Chris Ortega, 20 by 30 inches or 51 by 76 centimeters. And it only has 22 colors. This is one of the oldest ones in my stash, besides All Dogs Do Go to Heaven. So it has 2 AB. It reminds me of Prince. I think it's probably been archived, but there was even a description of one of his songs in the description for this kit. This is Christmas Ornament. It's 22 inches by 22 inches or 55.8 by 55.8 centimeters by Teresa Donahue McManus and Diamond Art Club. It has 58 colors, 1 AB, and 3 fairy dusts. The next one, and you all probably saw, I just did an unboxing of her. This is Swinging Spring by Claudia McKinney and Diamond Art Club, 22 by 22 inches or 55.8 by 55.8 centimeters. It has 2 AB and 4 fairy dusts. It's precious. She's sitting on the swing with her dog. And Pixie and I used to swing all the time together. This one it's Oraloa, and it is called Unicorn. I think it's an older one because I've been looking at Oraloa for a while. I feel confident that it's been around a while, so it's probably older. It is 67 colors, and it has 2 ABs and 6 of what I guess they call their ND, which is probably dust drill. Sunday Delight by Randall Spangler and Diamond Art Club. It's 22 inches by 22 inches or 56 by 56 centimeters. This is an older one too. Notice it has the pink lines on it. It's not as old as if I had gotten it off of a D-stash. I don't know if the lines transferred. It doesn't look like it. Yay. Okay. This is 54 colors and it has 4 fairy dust. And I love ice cream, which is why I bought it. The next one is Candy Corn by Claudia McKinney. It is 26 by 22 or 66 by 55.6 centimeters. And it has 3 fairy dust and 2 AB. It has 69 colors. Okay, this one is still hanging up and I need to file it. It is Axolotl and it's a recent release from Emily Girage and Diamond Art Club. It's 23.6 by 33.5 inches and it's 60 by 84 or almost 85 centimeters. It has 53 colors with 1 AB and 4 fairy dust. Okay, the next one is A Perfect Yellow Rose by Thomas Kincaid, Diamond Art Club. It's 22 inches by 27 inches or 55.6 centimeters by 68.8 centimeters. It has 63 colors with 2 AB and 2 fairy dust. Colors of the Bayou by Teresa Donahue McManus, Diamond Art Club. It's 68.7 centimeters by 55.8 centimeters. It has 83 colors with 1 AB and 4 fairy dust. I'm pretty eager to get started on this one. I think it's going to be beautiful. The next one is Inner Kingdom by Becca Tyndall and Diamond Art Club. It is 22.22 inches by 27 inches, 55.8 centimeters by 68.7 centimeters. It has 84 colors with 4 AB and 8 fairy dust. And that's probably why I bought it, all the fairy dust. And it's the only Becca Tyndall that I have, and I wanted one. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do at this point is we will stop there for today, and tomorrow I'll come back and do the next group. I hope you enjoyed seeing part of my stash, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.